Ciao Tesla people, today another road trip, and we are going towards Poppi and Consuma, which are small town up on the mountain of near Florence. So we'll see how it goes. Poppi should be like a medieval village. We'll see how it goes, okay? So I'll do a time lapse and I'll see you there. So I just got this Borgo Poppi, which is on top of the hill, and there are a bunch of towers for castles and churches. And here's the view from the balcony here. There are all the mountains. So here we are in the mountains of Tuscany towards the north. Okay. And these are all the old walls. You see an entrance here. And we came from there, and there's a tower here. It's pretty cool. It's really small because it's on top of a hill, and it's all surrounded like this. So I'm going to check in the center if there's something to eat, and if we can see the other tower on the other side. Okay, the view is really nice. Very cool. So this is the Castle of Poppi, and it's pretty cool. Love it. It's a garden, and these are the views from here all the way. There is a church down there, and there's a bunch of another church there. Very cool. And this guy is Dante Alighieri. And that's because here there are some manuscripts from Dante. It's really nice. Let's check it out. Very, very cool. You can enter from there. Let's check it out. There it is. Very nice. Never been here before, so and this is the other side. It's fantastic. So I'm back at home. It was a very cool ride. The road was okay because you have to go. So this valley where I went was is called Cosentino, and it's on the other side of the mountains here in Florence. So you have to go all the way up and then all the way down. Okay, and Poppi was a really nice town with all the castle and all the walls and the towers. It's really nice. A nice road trip. Okay, so please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications if you're already subscribed, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.